welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dr. Erica. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about flute experience and how to assemble your flute correctly. The flute is my choice of instrument starting from a very young age. I played the flute starting in secondary school, and I always wanted to continue with learning. So I kept with it. I studied music. I played orchestra music. I played band music. I was able to take private lessons. I entered into a college wanting to continue with playing the flute. However, things came up in my studying and career that was not surrounding music or the flute experience. So if you are a new beginner, or if you are someone who's revisiting the flute experience, then this video is for you. So like I said, I picked the flute back up maybe a year or two ago, took private lessons, and also continue to study music along the way on my own as an independent. And it is something that I enjoy doing for relaxation, for therapy purposes. It's something I enjoy doing, listening to new music, scales, orchestra music, audition music. I enjoy playing and practicing. Also, marching band, athletic theme music as well, like ESPN, for example. Also, Star Wars, movie themes. I also enjoy playing beautiful orchestra music from like Mendelssohn, as well as Vivaldi, as well as many other ones out there. So Firebird, I love Firebird. And also I enjoy practicing more so than just scales. So if you're someone like me, please continue learning, continue growing with it. It gets better. Like-minded together, can help leave a legacy for the others. So I'll show you this is my second purchase flute. I bought it brand new, and I bought it online. And this particular one I bought, I want to say last year or the year before practicing for an audition. And the flute has three parts to it. There's the mouthpiece. There's the mouthpiece that comes with the flute. The mouthpiece is going to allow volume. It's going to allow precision of sound. The mouthpiece is where you're going to do most of your expression with the formation of the lip, as well as the formation of the teeth and the tongue, as well as the tongue, teeth, and lips working together to produce a sound. So, and I recently delved a little bit deeper into advanced flute playing, and you should always warm up before starting on your musical journey. So this is going to be your mouthpiece. The second piece is going to be your main keys. The second piece here, your second piece is going to be, this is going to be your main piece, the body of the instrument, okay? And you're going to assemble these together like so. On the front, you'll see the name of the instrument there. You're going to align that name with the mouth, the open the mouth opening there. You're going to align those two together. Okay. And when you align those two together, it should fit perfectly with ease. Okay, you should align with ease. And what you're going to see here is a direct, you're going to see a direct lining between the mouthpiece and the name here. You can also, should be ease. When you twist, you should have an ease there. Okay. And then the final portion is going to connect at this end of the body. Okay, so your final piece is going to be your third piece. This is where your right pinky is going to be. Your smaller piece is going to align with the body here. So you're just going to connect here. Connect, and it should happen with ease. There should not be a force there, and there should not be a sliding, an easy slide. So as you can see, your pinky is going to be right there, and then you should be able to access the final front fingers, index and middle finger and ring finger of the right very easily, and you should be able to work fluidly with those once that is connected at the very tail. Okay, so you got your right hand, and then you have your left hand, your left pinky, your left ring, your left middle finger, and your left index. And then your thumb is going to be right on the back, on that key there. And you should be able to hold it with ease, just like that. Now, if you need to, you can always on your right side, on your right hand, adjust as needed to make sure you're not straining your pinky, your right pinky. And there you are, you've assembled your instrument. So that's how you assemble. That is how you're going to assemble precisely your instrument here. And in order to disconnect, you just do the reverse. I usually start with the bottom, and then I work my way to the mouthpiece, disconnecting there, like so. And there you are, you have it. You've been informed on how to assemble correctly from beginning to end the pieces of the flute. So if you have any questions, comments, please let me know. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on future videos. Take care. Bye-bye. Happy fluting.